Autos, the Nifty Auto Index is up close to about 0.7%, 0.8% at the day's high. Bajaj Auto at a fresh 52-week high. Sonia is here with a roundup of the auto news.
So thanks a lot for that. So Bajaj Auto is up in the green. It's at a fresh 52-week high. But the important bit is it's had a very smooth run this year as well. So the stock is up about 15% in 2023. Now, as we know, Triumph has transferred their India operations, the marketing and sales of the India operations to Bajaj Auto. And that deal has gone through, which means that Bajaj and Triumph will be jointly launching their new bikes somewhere in the middle of this year. We understand that there is a UK launch lined up in June of this year, after which July onwards the Triumph bikes will be in the Indian markets. And now this is something that the street is betting on. So Morgan Stanley put out a note where they're saying that in the bull case, Triumph can add about 400 rupees to Bajaj's value, which is a 10% upside to the current market price. They also expect Triumph bikes to reach 30% market share in the premium cruiser category by FY26. So there's a 30% market share opportunity that they're looking at in the premium cruiser category. Now, we understand that the first product could be launched, could be the Triumph Bajaj 400cc, and that could be in a range of around 2.5 to 3 lakh rupees, and that comes out perhaps in the middle of June. So the street is definitely latching on to that. On Maruti, Motilal Oswal put out a very interesting note where they have a buy with a target price of 10,400. Now remember, this comes on the back of the Goldman Sachs downgrade that came in yesterday, but Motilal says that they are expecting the company to outperform in a moderating growth environment in FY24. They say that Maruti has a very promising product pipeline, and they expect Maruti's market share to recover to 44.4% by FY25. Not just that, they're saying that Maruti has a very favorable mix of good SUVs. Their product pipeline is looking strong, and that will help them sustain margin recovery as well. So two positive notes. Of course, at large, the two-wheeler space is also buzzing because the IMD put out a statement saying that there's a normal monsoon expected this year. A lot of these companies have a large rural presence, so that will also be beneficial for them. Back to you.
All right, lots of different